What's up? Welcome back to my video. So, Halloween, you'll know, I'm eating a sweet right now as well. Oh my, it's really nice. Anyway, so it's Halloween today. I just got all my sweeties. I changed out my costume, and every year on Halloween I get a present. So we're gonna open it. My cousin got a present, and my brother got a present. We all got the same. So yeah, I'm really excited to open all of them. Let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it, close my eyes, and dip my hand in it and see what I get. Alright, I'm just gonna go down here. It's a simple dimple! I've got lots of simple dimples though, but I haven't got this type, so I'm kind of happy. It's a purple, pink, and blue dimple. I'm very excited, so I'm just gonna open that and see it. This is a keychain for it. You might not really yet see me, so I'll put the keychain on later. But how good is that? Okay, so this will, I'm gonna make like a pile. This will be the simple dimple pile right there. Okay, right, let's close my eyes and make another thing. Right back, you always have to go right back. Oh my gosh, it's a slinky. My cousin opened. Okay, I've got to go and get it. I'm very sorry about that, guys. That's very annoying. My cousin got the exact same thing, but hers was pink, like an orangey yellow, and yellow blurred into the orange. Like, I wanted this one because I've already got the one that my cousin got. Don't know what type my brother got, but I'm gonna put that back over there. Okay, so now next up, what's this? Oh, I have a bunch of these. You know. Okay, that's very, very weird, but let's put it over there. I have a feeling that I'm going to get lots of them. Spiky ball! Actually a cool one. I love spiky balls because look, they just like stick right on, not on your thumb, like on your finger a little bit. Yeah, that's really cool, by the way. Let's put it over near the slinky, I think. I think this is a spiky. Yes, it is. It's another spiky ball. Let's stick them together. Oh, spiky balls. They're so nice. Let's put them over there. I'm going to go right at the front. I've got something, I guess. But, I've got so many of these. I've got another one. This is like a white one, I guess. Stack both of them on top. Okay. Press it back down, Macy. I have got a bunch. I've got like so many of these, but look at the designs of this. Like literally, I'm so happy that I've got this. My brother has his out because he already opened his. He didn't really do a video, but I love these. When I had these, it was so hard to solve it. Like I didn't even know how to like do it. But yeah, that's pretty cool. It's really raining outside, I think. Alright, I'm going right here. Spiky ball, isn't it? Yep, spiky ball. It's the same as that one. Matching ones now. Stick them together. Alright, I hope I get something. Okay, this, I haven't got it. What is it? It feels squishy. Oh my gosh, that's actually pretty squishy. That's so squishy. Okay, I thought I wouldn't. I'm going to put that near there because there's not really that much I can see. Alright, I'll put them in. OMG, you guys. What the heck? Oh my gosh, I need to open this. I've always wanted these. Like, they're like little bits of topics. This is another one. This one looks like a caterpillar. I guess this one looks like a pea-popper one version. Okay, I'm going to put that. This will be my puppet stack, I guess then. Oh my gosh, I'm actually really happy. That's like one of the best. Let's get this. Oh, this is, oh, it's a snapper. I thought it would have been like, what are they called? I forgot. This is the detail of the snapper. This is one of my first snappers, if you guys didn't know. Okay. Oh, it's another one! Yay! Wait, have we already opened one? Oh, no, I thought we already opened one. So weird. So it's a unicorn. I've already got one of these, but it's like a blue-ish turquoise colour. It's really nice. Okay, let's just place it right there. Okay. Alright, I can feel one monkey noodle. Okay. That's a good monkey noodle. I'm going to put it back in the monkey noodle. So I'm alright because I've got that monkey noodle like already in my fidget drawers. But I'm going to probably my this one. Should we have a snack while we're doing it? I don't know. Okay. Alright. I know it's a mochi. Yeah, I got it right. Literally, when I have mochis, my stepbrother, like I always bring my fidgets around. My stepbrother, like always gets my mochis. Like he always gets them and throws them right on the ceiling. Okay, let me just get my scissors and open it. Okay, I got the scissors and I open it. What is this? I think it's like a seal. It looks like a little bird as well. A seal or a bird? I think it's a bird for me. Yeah, you're very cute. Let's put you over there. It's a mochi. Mochi. What's this? I'm literally going to be dead right now, guys. OMG, what? This is what cool. Look. I've got one of these as well. I've only got one. So I'm happy that I've got another one. And then... That's very cool, guys. Let's snap. These snappy bits are real cool. OMG, guys. How cool is that? Okay, right. Now we're going to just spin this bit. Spin, spin, spin. So that's really cool, isn't it? Right, next thing. Okay, what is it? OMG, it's a monkey noodle. It's another one, guys. Yay, I'm really happy. I've got one, like a turquoise one, and it looks exactly like this, but darker. And this is really nice, isn't it? It's another unicorn. Let's put it right down there. Ooh. Okay, oh, that's not very straight. Okay, that's better. Ah! We got a spinny thing, and you're wondering why I'm really loud. It's because I can't talk so slow. Okay. Anyway, 3, 2, 1, spin. Oops. Does this even work? 3, 2, right. Watch, guys. Are you serious? Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Already a new fidget has fooled. I'm so bad at all this. Stop. I'm gonna pop you. Okay. These are not that good ones. Oh my gosh, can you pop? Yep, that's pop. I thought it didn't pop then. Because I didn't pop it right. Good. 10 out of 10. That is a 10 out of 10. I'm not really rating, am I? Why did I even just rate that? I'm weird. I always love rating. Okay, anyway. I've fry it down now. Because I love it. This is very nice. Interesting indeed. You've got a yellow one of them. I'm really happy about that. So, which is this I see. I'm sorry, this is so cool. OMG. Okay, that's very, very nice. Alright. Let's hear it on the good sound. Oh my gosh, it had letters on it on both sides. That's very nice. Okay. Right now, let's put that over there. Okay, you guys. 2 monkey noodles. Are you seriously right now? I've got 2 green monkey noodles. How did I manage to get them? Like how? I wasn't cheating. I'm not. Remember. What is it? Okay. Are you serious? Are you guys serious? Got 3 of the exact same colours. I might give them to some of my friends. Oh, I feel this. This has to be a spiky ball. This is such a pretty one. That's probably going to be one of my favourites. Okay, let's put it in there. Oh no. Whoa! Let's put this right there because I don't think there's any more. Right, we are nearly finished with this. Ah, yay! We got another one. Is there any more of these ones now? All of them together. How pretty. How pretty is that? Another one. You're joking me right now. I've got 4 of the exact same green colours. Oh, it's so weird. Oh my gosh. I'm going to sneeze. So many. How cool is that? Right, I'm gonna pick now. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! I'm so excited. It's got little French fries on it. Can you see? I might not be able to see. It's really bad to see on the camera. I don't know why. It's like one of my actual dreams. Poppet. I thought I would have never got this poppet. Like, this is so rare for me. It might not be rare in real life for like a poppet. I'm definitely gonna do some now, like, you know, now like some videos of me like fidget trading. So I've got so many cool fidgets now. They're all the ones I've always wanted. Okay, let's open another poppet. It's a mini one. OMG, I have so many mini poppets. So, good for me. Good for you. Look up and out. Wait. Have I got my little one playlist? Okay, have I got it? No, it's, yes, I have got it. Good for you. Look up and healthy. No, me. So there's like a turquoise colour, a dark blue colour and a pink, and I really like it. Did it came with, oh yes it did, indeed. Now I can stick it on my bag at school finally. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to do that later, after this video probably. But, yeah, I've got a puzzle. Oh, there's another one in there. 2 puzzle balls, guys. How nice. I've got like, so I've got 4. I've got 2 more of them, so now I have all 4. No, you're kidding me. I have 2 more of the exact same colours. So let's count all of the exact same colours, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you serious, guys? Okay, right, we've got just a little bit more what I'm kind of sad about, but whatever. Another Mochi! Yay! What is it? It's a dolphin, a purple dolphin. This is it. It's really nice, okay? My other Mochis. I have so many Mochis already. This is my dream Fidget, guys. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anyway, this is the Fidget. tie-dye one. I'm so happy right now. Okay, so it looks like a finished fidget spinner to me. Oop. Does it? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Hey, I can pop it, can't I? Yeah. This is probably one of the best ones ever. Wow. I feel I found lots of pressure rings. I forgot what they're called. Are they called that? I don't really think so. Something like that. Okay, so I've got all of these ones, I guess. So I've got lots of ones. Macy! I will definitely open this. I could really not go out. I didn't even know they would have had this Mochi. This is the best. Look how cute that is. That's so cute, isn't it? That is so cute. I can already see a monkey noodles. More monkey noodles. Okay. I've got lots of them. So thank you. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's like a hamburger. What? Thank you so much. Yeah, oh, that's so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, no. There's another one. Okay. Okay, that's the whole bag. Bye, bag. Bye. I didn't take that minute. Okay, so I saw my cousin have one of these. She had a green and a red. This is an orange, as you guys can see on the camera. But yeah. So at my school, we have Rubik's Snake Club, and I've always wanted to go, but I've never had one of these snakes before. This is kind of very good for me, so I'm very happy now. Look, I got this because now I can go. And I can make my colours green today or orange today. I'll probably take the orange the most. And it's basically where they show you tricks how to make things. Okay. The corners are very sharp though, guys. Okay. Let's try to make it all straight. Oh my gosh, help me, guys. Make it straight. Made one. And the other one I'm probably going to open soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit on the post notification bell. Ding, ding, ding. I want to hear that button go. Wait a minute. Let's do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hope you guys smashed it. Wait. Did you smash it? Please smash it. If you guys didn't smash it, then I hate you. You're probably wondering all of this. It's not ketchup or anything. Blood from Halloween trick-or-treating. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to go on my TikTok, Macy Kelly, or Macy Kelly. Hit on the notification bell, and see you guys soon. Bye, guys.